Hello children, today we are going to learn past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, the action is completed in the past. We have to use had for the past and we have to use past participle, that is verb 3, for the perfect tense. Past perfect tense. The structure of the sentence, we have to concentrate on the structure of the sentence. Subject plus had plus past participle, that is verb 3, plus object. Model sentences are here. I had completed my homework. I, subject, had plus completed is past participle and my homework is object. I had completed my homework. You had eaten all the biscuits. We had given them these books. They had played very slowly. He had read the poem nicely. She had performed very well. It had drunk milk. Kedar had brought a new book. Kavita had taught me a lesson. All these model sentences we have learnt now. Now we are going to learn past perfect tense negative sentences. Past perfect tense, the actions completed in the past. Now let's see negative sentences. Structure of the sentence. Subject plus had plus not plus past participle verb 3 plus object. Let's concentrate on the structure of the sentence. We have to use not after had. And here these are model sentences for us. Model sentences are: I had not completed my work. You had not called them. We had not learnt this lesson. They had not bought onions. He had not written the sentences. She had not given me notebook. It had not eaten biscuits. Now we have seen all these model sentences in past perfect tense, but these sentences are negative sentences. Now next, in past perfect tense, we are going to learn interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences, that is questions. Structure of the sentence. First, verbal questions. For verbal questions, the structure of the sentence is had plus subject plus past participle, that is verb 3, plus object. Now let's see model sentences. Had they arrived late? Had I written these sentences? Had you bought a new car? Had she written this song? These model sentences are verbal questions in past perfect tense. Now let's move to WH questions. For WH questions, the structure of the sentence is WH plus had plus subject plus past participle verb 3 plus object. Learnt it well. Try to understand it well. WH plus had plus subject plus past participle verb 3 plus object. Now let's see model sentences, or you can say model questions in past perfect tense. What had he brought? What had you written in the notebook? When had they arrived? Where had she gone? Who had composed this ghazal? Children, these questions, WH questions, are in past perfect tense. Today we have learned past perfect tense, the structure of the sentence, then in negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Read all these model sentences very well. Read the structure of the sentence, concentrate on the structure of the sentence and try to understand it well. So, goodbye. Thank you.